Hey there, architecture enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fascinating project that's all about bringing new life to an old farmhouse. Get ready for a journey through design, history, and the art of making old spaces feel brand new. So, we've got this beautiful 19th century farmhouse nestled in the Mendip Hills of Somerset, England. It's a place with a rich history, but it's also a bit of a challenge. You see, the farmhouse and an adjacent barn were like two separate entities, with inconsistent upgrades and no real flow between them. That's where our architects, Forgeworks, come in. Forgeworks, led by the talented Chris Hawkins, took on the task of uniting these two structures. And let me tell you, their approach was brilliant. Instead of treating the farmhouse and barn as separate entities, they designed a clever linking volume. This new addition acts as a bridge, creating a seamless 25-meter-long axis that centers around a cozy stone hearth. It's like they've woven a new narrative for the entire property. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The clients, with their love for American mid-century architecture, inspired the design of this linking volume. It's low-lying and horizontal, almost like a subtle extension of the landscape. And get this, it's lined with sliding glass panels that open up to a stunning swimming pool terrace. Talk about bringing the outside in. But it's not just about looks. The choice of materials is genius. Blue Lias stone, a local limestone variety, ties the new structure to the original farmhouse. It's a beautiful, tactile stone that ages gracefully. Combined with timber and stainless steel, it creates a warm and durable space. Hawkins described it perfectly: the aim was permanence without heaviness. I mean, who doesn't want their home to feel timeless and cozy at the same time? Inside the barn, Forgeworks went back to basics. They stripped the interiors down to the stone walls, adding modern touches like insulation, solar panels, and air source heat pumps. It's a perfect blend of old and new. And on the outside, a pale rendered finish connects the barn to the farmhouse, creating a cohesive look. Now, the barn itself has been transformed into a functional space. It now houses additional bedrooms, bathrooms, a playroom, a study, and even a garage for the client's vintage cars. It's like a whole new home within the old one. This project is a masterpiece of architectural storytelling. It's not just about the design, it's about creating a sense of place, a home that feels rooted in its history yet modern and functional. It's a perfect example of how architecture can breathe new life into old spaces. So, what do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this incredible transformation. Do you appreciate the way Forgeworks honored the history while creating something fresh and functional? Let's chat in the comments.